Okay, we are on Unit 3, Lesson 6, Organizing Your Structures. So this is on the same page where we worked on notes for last cycle. And now we are organizing our essay. So this up here, rebuttal, I put that vocab word over here. That will be important in a little bit. So a rebuttal is an argument or proof that contradicts or opposes. So we need to overcome somebody else's side, bring evidence to prove that our side is stronger. Okay, so at the top here, these are the steps that we need to be aware of. And organizing your argumentative essay, we're going to be filling these in. So you should create and follow an outline. So you should have an introduction, an attention getter. We called it a hook in our last paper. You need a thesis statement. We learned that that's going to be 2 parts in an argumentative essay, your opinion on the topic, and then your call to action as the second part. The body, these are the points where evidence and the divergent views or counterpoints with evidence and possible blank. So we need to go over here and fill in rebuttals. Okay, then we have our conclusion. It's a summation of the argument, so summarizing your argument, a 2-sentence paraphrasing of the thesis statement, the summarization of the points, and a memorable clincher. So we want to end with something strong that sort of clinches our side and why people should agree with us. Over here, choose and adhere to a format. So we're going down here. Choose a format that is appropriate to the purpose, the audience, and the context. And they're going to talk about context later in the lesson, but basically the context is sort of the situation, like read the room. Is it appropriate to tell a joke or not? So that's your context. Okay, various formats for organizing your argumentative essay. I definitely learned some stuff here. So our first format is the simple format. Whoa, wrong thing. I just wanted that highlighted. There we go. Okay, simple format is probably what we're most familiar with. So you have 5 paragraphs, you have your introduction, you have a paragraph that presents the 3 points you're trying to make, a paragraph that presents and refutes 2 counterpoints, so the other side thinks this and this, and overcome it, a paragraph with your third and strongest argument, and then your conclusion. So that's 5 total. And then you're going to come down here and put those in order using this. Our next format is the claim counterclaim format. So we have 8 paragraphs in that one, introduction, 3 paragraphs refuting counterpoints, 3 paragraphs providing your points, and then a conclusion. So 3 or intro, 3 of their side, 3 of your side, conclusion. That gets you to your 8. We have the cluster format. Let me move my face out of the way here. All right, I'm just going to tell you for these next 2, ain't nobody got time to be writing 11 paragraph essays, but you need to be familiar with this format to be able to answer these questions. So for this one, you have an introduction, 6 paragraphs presenting your claim, your side, points of evidence, and then disprove, overcome the other side, 3 paragraphs with rebuttals and counterpoints. So our next one, also 11 paragraphs. This one is called the alternating format. So you have your intro, 9 paragraphs backing up your points, refute the counterpoints, and give rebuttals, and then the conclusion. And there are nice visuals over here in this chart when you get down here to answering these questions. But you'll notice these paragraph numbers should kind of narrow down which ones you're looking at. There aren't notes for this bottom part here, so when you get there, skim over it. And then you are only using these 3 words 1 time each, and they're all explained in this section right above it. So if you want to use a word twice, you probably need to review that. So that should be it.